Hello everyone, today we will talk about urinary system. But before talking about urinary system, we have to talk about excretory system. What's the meaning of excretory system? Excretory system is group of organs get rid of wastes that produce from breaking down food inside your body cells. After you eat food, there is digestion process happen and some waste is produced and get out from your body by some organs. We call these organs excretory system, and we will talk about each one of them later. Now, after eating food, if you eat sandwich, this sandwich will has two ways to go. First one, maybe it will be digested and burns inside your body cells, forming or producing energy plus some waste materials. We call this waste materials, which come from digested food, we call it excretory materials. And second way, maybe the sandwich will not digested and will be indigested food, and we will call it solid wastes. So we have two types of wastes: solid wastes and excretory materials or excretory wastes. What about excretory wastes or excretory materials which come from digested food? Amazing. Produced from digested after burning digested food. There are three types of wastes, excretory materials. There are three types: carbon dioxide and water vapor, second one nitrogenous wastes, and third one excess salt and water. Let's check each one of them, from where it produced and how your body get rid of it. First one, carbon dioxide and water vapor. They are produced from burning digested food to produce energy. They are produced from burning food. Carbon dioxide and water vapor produced from burning food. And how can your body get rid of it? Yes, last year you studied respiration process, that it contains inhalation and exhalation process. So carbon dioxide and water vapor will go outside your body through or by two lungs during the exhalation process. So carbon dioxide and water vapor produced from burning digested food, and we get rid of it through two lungs. Let's check second type of material wastes or of excretory wastes, nitrogenous wastes, such as urea and uric acid. You have two examples on nitrogenous wastes, urea and uric acid. But what's the meaning of nitrogenous wastes? Nitrogenous wastes, some wastes produced from breaking down proteins such as meat, chicken, eggs, and so on. So if you eat meat or chicken, it will be breaking down inside your body, then produce some wastes, which is nitrogenous wastes, such as urea and uric acid. Okay, how can your body get rid of these wastes? Your body get rid of it through two kidneys or by two kidneys. They are exist in urinary system. Third type of wastes will be excess salt and excess water. Excess salts and excess water, your body get rid of them through two ways. Maybe it will go outside your body through urinary system in form of urine, or maybe it will go outside your body by secreting sweat in form of sweat from skin. Again, excess salt and excess water has two ways to go. Maybe your body will get rid of them by urinary system or two kidneys in form of urine, or maybe your body will get rid of it through skin or by skin from special glands which are called sweat glands. Your skin contains some glands, some specific type of glands called sweat glands. Let's check the definition. What's the meaning of sweat glands? Sweat glands, they are glands inside the skin produce sweat. Again, glands inside the skin produce sweat. Maybe it will come like a complete or right scientific term. It will say glands inside the skin produce sweat. You have to say sweat glands. You have to note that secreting sweat increase in summer and decrease in winter. VS, urination process, decrease in summer and increase in winter. Urination means like you go toilet to get rid of urine. Good. So secrete sweat increase in summer and decrease in winter, but urination process decrease in summer, yes, and increase in winter. Now we have to talk about some question, give reasons. First one, why give reason? What do you think? Why the skin is one of excretory organs? Yes, because the skin get rid of excess salt and excess water in form of sweat. Skin get rid of salt and water in form of sweat. Second question, give reason. The amount of urine differs from time to time. Why when you go to toilet, sometimes amount of urine will be much and sometimes it will be less. Why? Due to temperature and the amount of drinking water. If you drink much water, you will urinate much, and if you drink less, you will urinate less. Third question, give reason. We should get rid of excretory materials. Why we don't keep excretory materials inside our body? Because they are harmful materials. So we should to get rid of excretory materials. Now, time of urinary system. What's the meaning of urinary system? Urinary system, it is system that clarify blood from harmful wastes. What? What's the meaning of clarify? I don't know the meaning of clarify. Clarify means filter. So urinary system, it is system filter or clarify blood from harmful wastes. Okay, where it is exist? Urinary system lies in abdominal cavity near the backbone. This is urinary system. So urinary system, again, system clarify. Clarify means filter blood from harmful wastes. Okay, what's the function of urinary system? Oh, sure, it filter blood from urine. What the meaning of urine? We will know now what the meaning of urine. So, function of urinary system, filter blood from urine, which is harmful wastes, and get rid of it. So, we can summarize this. We can say that function of urinary system, filter blood from urine and get rid of it. Filter blood from urine and get rid of it. Okay, what's the meaning of urine? This is very important definition. It is fluid of harmful wastes. What's the meaning of fluid? We know that it's liquid. So urine is liquid of harmful wastes, consists of excess salts, excess water, urea and uric acid. Yes, I know, urea and uric acid, this is nitrogenous wastes. They are nitrogenous wastes. Amazing. What's the structure of urinary system? Urinary system consists mainly of two kidneys and two ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Two kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder and the urethra. Okay, let's check each one of them function and where it is exist. Okay, first of all, we have artery and we have vein. Artery, this is blood vessels which carry blood, contains wastes to the two kidneys. So the blood which carry wastes come to the two kidneys through artery. Two kidneys filter blood and make its function. Then pure blood get out from two kidneys through vein. Again, we have artery which carry blood containing nitrogenous wastes or wastes to two kidneys, and we have vein which carry pure blood which the kidney filtered add to the heart. Let's check two kidneys. The most important organ in urinary system. They are bean-shaped organs, like bean, in the shape of bean, and they are located at the two sides of backbone, like this. Okay, kidneys filter blood from urea, uric acid, excess salt, and excess water. Who can tell me urea, uric acid plus excess salt and excess water together make urine? Amazing. So kidney filter blood from urine. Kidneys or two kidneys filter blood from urine and get rid of it. Okay, we know that blood enter kidneys through arteries and leave, or pure blood will leave through vein. You have to know that each kidney contains million minute tubeless that filter blood to do its function. So each kidney contains 1 million minute tubeless that filter blood from wastes. Who can tell me what the second part and structure of urinary system? Two ureters. The two ureters it looks like bridge. They are two narrow tubes connected to the kidneys. So the ureters, two narrow tubes connected to kidneys, and just connected to kidneys to urinary bladder. Okay, they are connected kidneys with urinary bladder. What's the function? They are bridge, as I said. They transfer urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. So two ureters, this ureter and this is ureter. What's the function of these two ureters? Just to connect urine to from or transfer urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Again, two ureters connect the kidney to urinary bladder and transfer urine from kidney to urinary bladder. What about urinary bladder? Yes, it's a balloon-like sac that receive urine from ureters. This is balloon is urinary bladder. Balloon-like sac receive urine from two ureters and store it like basket, Store it until you get rid of it. Again, urinary bladder, balloon-like sac, stores urine until get rid of it outside your body. Last part in urinary system, urethra. Urethra, just its tube extend from urinary bladder, this tube, this extend. This tube extend from urinary bladder outside your body, open outside your body, allow urine to pass outside your body. Okay, how to keep your urinary system healthy? But before talking about keeping urinary system healthy, let's summarize what we talked about. We talked about urinary system, two kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. We said two kidneys filter blood from urine. To ureter, transfer urine from kidney to urinary bladder, and urinary bladder store urine until it gets rid outside our body, and urethra, it is extends from urinary bladder to allow urine to pass outside your body. It's so easy, I think. Let's check how to keep urinary system healthy. First of all, you have to eat balanced food, low in salts. Again, eat balanced food, low in salts. Drink enough amount of water, especially in summer, because you are secreting much sweat in summer, or a lot of sweat in summer. Third one, keep away from irrigation canals. Keep away from irrigation canal to avoid blood urine diseases. What's the meaning of irrigation canal? This is irrigation canal. You have to keep away from it. Last one, and it's a very, very important way to keep your urinary system healthy. Don't keep urine in the urinary bladder for long times. If you need to go toilet, you have to go toilet. Don't keep urine in urinary bladder. Why? Because this will affect the function of kidneys. You know well that kidney now filter your blood from any waste exists in it, nitrogenous wastes and excess salt and excess water. What if you keep urine inside your urinary bladder? The function of two kidneys will be affected.